So I have been writing for the past couple hours. This is a script for a new video that I'm working on, but I have to get changed because I'm going to be seeing Minions 2: The Rise of Gru. No braces. Are you gonna smile? Wow. Yes, I tie and untie my shoes. Unlike New York, jaywalking is strictly frowned upon. Actually, it might be illegal. What are the odds that they're also watching Minions? Yo, what's good? How you doing, bro? Oh, how you doing? Good to see you.
So we're like, oh wait, I'm working from home tomorrow.
Yo, that was unironically a pretty good movie. What do you guys think?
Bro, that was fire. Actually fire, bro.
Oh, you want to do the... Ow, your ring hurts.
Okay, let's do it again.
Your ring... Ow, ow, this hurts. Ow, ow, wait, I can't do it. There we go. Alright,
Hey,
see you, dude.
see you later, man.
So the reason that I had to split with Brandon and Aiden is that they're going clubbing. Now, I have neither the desire nor the money to go clubbing. Also, I'm meeting my family for dinner. This is the spot. I just gotta get to the front door. So I'm here at the place at 8. My dad sent me a calendar invite. He said 8. And my brother just texted me and said, we are still at the house because the reservation is at 8:30. Are you serious? Come on. Never mind, I'm the stupid one because it says 8:30 p.m. including travel. So I should have saw that coming.
Let me give a taste review right now. Yeah, pretty good, honestly.
Good dinner.
Guide. Oh, my hair's kind of long. Oh, my hair's kind of long. Oh, wait, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, we were gonna go get a camera.
Why is he still recording? I thought it was over.
We got this in Galicia, or Galicia in Spain.
Camino de Santiago, Carlos.
Get out.